How to fix scanner not working on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Services on your Windows. In Services, scroll down and search for Windows Image Acquisition. Right-click on it. After you do that, you'll find these options pop up. Click on Properties in here. After you've clicked on Properties, in Startup Type, click on it and make sure it's automatic. After you have done that, at the bottom, Start, which is below Service Status. After you've started it, press on Apply and then press on OK. After you've done that, again in the Services, you can scroll till you find Shell Hardware Detection. Right-click on it and then click on Properties. Then in Startup Type, make sure it's automatic again. Then press on Apply and then press on OK. After that, again scroll in Services and search for Remote Procedure Call. Right-click on Remote Procedure Call and then click on Properties. In Properties, make sure in Startup Type is automatic again, and then press on Apply, and then press on OK. After that, search for Scanner and Printers, and if there is any update available in here, update it. And this is how to fix scanner not working on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.